Mercedes E-Class. It's the AMG Sport with a panoramic roof and upgraded alloy wheels. It's in lovely condition, it's literally just arrived. See, the wheels are diamond cut look style twin tone. It's got park distance control. It's got the full AMG body styling kit. Twin exhausts. Boot area is in lovely condition. Full leather interior. It's got electric mirrors, electric windows, power fold mirrors, panoramic roof, tilts and slides. Start the car up. It's done 58,123 miles. It's got factory satellite navigation, climate control, heated seats, got Bluetooth connectivity. It's got a aux, no, it hasn't got an aux, but it's got a USB, sorry. It's got paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control. Drives absolutely superb. At DJH, we've got full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.